Show us what you got. Look at that.
Look at that, Joelle. Oh, lots and lots. Yay! I'm going to turn it on. Are you videoing?
Mm-hmm. Good boy.
I don't think we need it loud. Look at that. Look at all the animals. Can we count how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
So cute.
Yay! 3. You see?
Show her how they make the cookie noise.
Oh. Let me show you. The head makes your... And the feet? I don't know if his ears. Ears are attached to his head. Alright, Mommy's here to love you. Oh, look, Sam. Sailing. Who did you find? Lion. Lion. Good girl for Lion. Lion. Good girl. Yay.
Whoa.
Whoa.
Who made that noise?
That was the elephant. Ratchety from the gorilla. What was that?
Yay! Kind of like a
Bird?
bird, yeah.
Animals are riding on the ark for fun. You can learn their names and more about each one. There's a tall giraffe and a big gorilla too.
2.
A little baby bear and an elephant for you.
Yay! You mean them all. Giraffe, elephant, gorilla, teddy bear. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Oh, Turtley McMyrtle. Turtle. Oh, yay. Turtle McMyrtle. Oh, look at this. It goes ratchety ratch. Oh, what's that? Oh, you found. Can you open it again?
Good girl, Sammy.
Good girl. That's excellent. You found the lion. Excellent.
Your phone. Okay, Sammy.
Good girl. Yay for Noah's Ark. Yay.
Signing off. Merry Christmas.